YouTube. Today I'm going to talk to you about my Himalayan salt inhaler. And here it is right here. This is my Himalayan salt inhaler. I started looking into this when I had developed a sinus infection. Actually had recently moved, and the place I moved to had a lot of carpeting. And I was not used to this because I'm used to just all wood floors. So I was experiencing a lot of sinus infections, just allergies, and every day I was taking a Claritin. So I got tired of taking Claritin, so I was trying to figure out what are my other options. So I purchased this Himalayan salt inhaler and I started to use it. And it has done wonders for my allergies and my sinuses. It's just been amazing. And it works out a lot cheaper than purchasing Claritin every day. And I'm also able to use it, and it's like natural. It's a very natural solution. So what I do is I usually have it in my car. So when I'm driving somewhere, usually somewhere that's going to take more than 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, I will just use it then. It's already in my car. So what I do is I just inhale, and then I breathe out through my nose. And then that's it. 10 minutes of this, I do it. So just inhale and exhale, and that's it. That's the miracle. This is good. It actually is really good. This Himalayan salt. It's really good for detoxifying the air. It actually may lower your blood pressure, which I don't really have any issues with blood pressure, but that's also an extra bonus. It helps relieve stress because it helps you to breathe in a lot deeper than I would normally do. So when I breathe in for 10 minutes, this deep inhale, exhale, for the rest of the day, I find myself breathing in a lot less shallow. So it actually just produces, it helps you with relaxation and stress relief. It actually aids. I've had people mention to me that they used to snore, and it actually helped them to eliminate their snoring. So that's also an extra benefit. It moisturizes your dry mucous membranes, and it supports, harmful organism cleansing. So it's very, very helpful. It has helped me tremendously in my sinus infections. It's like greatly reduced, and I no longer have to rely on Claritin, which is like a drug. You never know what other side effects it's doing, and what other things it's doing to you. So I am very happy for my Himalayan salt lamp. My salt inhaler, and it's pretty cool. This thing, it just contains Himalayan salt, and it's something. This process has been around for eons. It's from like the ancient Greece time that this has been around, and so it's very ancient. It's a very ancient tool, but it actually works a lot. It works, it's very beneficial. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this enlightening to you and interesting. I love you, and I hope you enjoy your day. Also, if you like this, what I was mentioned here, please subscribe to my channel. And actually, I'm gonna do a promotion. I feel like I should do a promotion for this. The first 100 people to subscribe to my channel, I'm actually going to give, out of the first 100, I'm going to raffle it off, and I'm actually going to send one person a free Himalayan salt inhaler. So subscribe to my channel, and I hope you're the one who wins the inhaler. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Thank you.